one to the earth, gonna scream and shout. You got the lonely kind of mess out there. Nobody else is gonna stay my step. You have got the key to set me free. If you want my love, then rescue me. Is this real love? Is this real pain? Is this real love? Yeah, is it the right thing? Is this real love? Is this the real thing? Is this real love? Yeah, is it the right thing? Well, you don't have to hide the way you feel. Tell me if your love for me is real. Is this real love? Is this a real thing? Is this real love? Can I be the right thing? Is this real love? Is this a real thing? Is this real love? Can I be the right thing? Right thing, right thing. Is this real love? Is this a real thing? Is this real love? Can I be the right thing? Is this real love? Is this a real thing? Is this real love? Can I be the right thing?
Alright. Ayan, medyo busy talaga tayo Sige. Habang nagtatato, parang gusto ko na rin magpatato.
Ako rin.
Nakaka-addict po kasi.
Okay. Pwede po kayong mag-request. Ayan. Pag po kayong mahiya. Medyo busy nga sila. Okay.
Yes. And of course,
Pero sa, yung pag, hello? Oo. Medyo na-inspire na sila. Ganun. Okay. Sino ba yung mga andito ngayon? Wala bang taga San Nicolas? Meron?
you know.
Lawag! Lawag City! Oh, andyan. Bakara! Wala.
Ay, wala.
Oh, Pasukin. Siyempre, marami. Sino pa yung mga andito na nakipag-laban sa... Yan.
Tattoo competition, I think. Yes.
Sino ba yung nag-sponsor? Okay. Si ano na lang yung magsabi yung mga sponsor nila, kaya sige, tuloy na natin yung pagkanta. Okay, yeah. So I would like to give you a pop rock medley.
Up
wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You need love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, then between the sand and stone, could you make it on your own? If I go, then I won't. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart, run away with my heart, with my love. If I go, then I won't. I'll go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I'll go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine, I'll go wherever you will go. I'll go wherever you will go, wherever you will go.
Hey, Dad, look at me. Think back and talk to me. Did I grow up according to plan? Do you think I'm wasting my time doing things I wanna do? And it hurts when you disapprove all along. And now I try hard to make it. I just wanna make you proud. I'm never gonna be good enough for you. Can't pretend that I'm alright. And you can't change to change who I used to be. The reason is harder than you, and the reason is 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 you. I'm not a perfect person. I'm never meant to do those things to you. And so I have to say before I go that I just want you to know I'm the reason for me to change you I used to be. A reason to start over. And the reason is you. I found a reason to show a side of me you didn't know. A reason for all that I do. And the reason is you.
Alright, and that was our pop rock medley. Okay. Oh, ayan.
Ayan, and if you have any request, feel free to send us your request.
Ayan, patapos na ba sila? Parang excited ako kung sino yung manalo.
Ah, ako
Hello.
excited na din,
Nawawala na
magpapatato. Oo. Baka libre lang.
Ano po yun, sir?
Hey. May request po kayo, sir?
Ayan, baka may mga request po kayo dyan. Pwede nyo pong isigaw o pakisulat sa papel at ibigay dito sa harap.
Yes.
Para naman mag-enjoy tayong lahat.
Ano po yun, sir? Rolling in the Deep? Oh. Ano po pangalan ni sir? Albert. Elmer. Si Sir Elmer. Siya pala yung sponsor natin.
Dito sa event na to.
Yes, ayan. Nag-request
siya
ng Rolling in
ng
the Deep.
rolling. Oo, ng...
Pero try po namin, sir,
Oo.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Sir Elmer. Yeah. This song is dedicated to you, Sir Elmer. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sound me out and I'll lay your shit there. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. These scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. These scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in a deep, you have my heart. practice of we could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all, it all, it all. We could have had it all. Rolling in a dream. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. We could have had it all. Rolling in a dream. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.
Ayan. Thank you so much for requesting that song. At sana
Sir Elmer.
nabigyan po namin ng hostisya yung kanta. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, nako. Palapit na yung oras para malaman natin kung sino yung no.
Parang nararatel na sila, oh.
Sino kaya ang napakaswerte ngayong gabi? Magkano na kaya yung mapapanalunan? Okay. Okay, and this song I'd like to give you a song from the White Lion. All right.
I know that she's waiting for me to say forever. I know that I sometimes just don't know how to tell her. I want to hold and kiss her, give her my love, make her believe she doesn't know. She doesn't know. You're all I need beside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. You're all that I need. Yeah. She's always there when I need her love, and I know that I never told her how much I love her. I see her face before me, I look in her eyes, wondering why. Oh, she doesn't know. She doesn't know. She doesn't know. You're all I need beside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. Say that you'll be there whenever I reach out to feel your hand in mine. Stay within my heart. Whenever I'm alone, I know that you are there. Whoa,
Yes! And that was a song from the White Lion.
I wanted to give you a song coming from Side A. Take me to your heart, show me where it's strong. Let me play the part of your first love. When it's just alright, every wish is ours tonight, my love. Maybe those who wait, trusting love to fate, finding out too late that they lost it, never letting go. They will never know the ways of love. You've got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You've got to believe in magic, so much stronger than a moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. I may never know why I need you so. All that is to know is this feeling, and a little with care. We were born to share this dream, my love. You've got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You've got to believe in magic, something stronger than a moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Time is on the side, and we always pass away. I guess we're meant to stay. Don't take the magic away. You've got to believe in magic. Whoa. Ooh, you've got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You've got to believe in magic, something stronger than a moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Got to believe.
All right. Ayan, sa mga gustong mag-request lang po kayo.
Yes, at sa mga gustong makijam, open na open po ang The R&B and the Side Street
O,
Band.
tama. Okay. Wow, parang nakikita ko dito, oh. Ang ganda. Ano kaya yung mga... Oo. Iba-ibang design, yung mga... May mga flower ba? O mga mukha? Ganun. Okay. Medyo nagdilig ng konti yung mga kasamahan natin, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, and sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, kami po yung R&B Design Street Band, yung mga bagong dating.
Hello, hello
Ayan.
po. Ayan.
Kung gusto niyo pa kaming imbitahin sa mga kasal, ganun.
Birthday, or any occasions. Of course.
Ayan, tawag lang po kayo sa numero. numero.
Numero.
And of course,
Mag-PM lang po kayo sa aming page,
Facebook
the R&B
page.
Band. Okay.
You can follow our Facebook page, R&B Band, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, R&B The Side Street Band.
Okay. And, ayan.
At habang naghihintay tayo ng mga
Palagay ko,
request.
pista ba lang pasukin ngayon? Yung December?
Ah.
Oo, kasi noon tumutugtog tayo dito noon. Ay, wala pa pala kayo. Mga December, December pala yung pista nila. Okay. Okay, ano ba yung mga gusto natin? Gusto niyo bang sumayaw o makinig muna? Ha? Okay, kahit ano.
Jopay. Wala dito si Jopay.
Wala si Jopay.
Jopay talaga.
Ayan, at bago natin ibigay yung request nilang Jopay, would like to give you a song from AC/DC. Ayan, palakpak naman dyan! Woo! Yeah!
Yes, here's a song from the AC/DC!
Living this same, living free. Season ticket on a one-way ride. Asking nothing, leave me be. Taking everything in my stride.
Okay, ayan. Sorry, ayan. Hindi po namin na... Jopay. Kaya? Ano? Ano yun? Ang hirap
Ano
kasi.
yon?
Jopay daw.
Jopay! Ayan, try po namin yung Jopay, ah. At sana magustuhan ninyo. Ayan, at itatry po namin itong request yung Jopay. Yeah! Pwede kayong sumabay!
Try po namin bang Jopay. Alright. Sabayan niyo kami.
Ay, kumusta ka na? Palagi kitang pinapanood, nakikita. Jopay, pasensya ka na. Wala rin kasi makausap at kasama.
Huwag ka nang mawala.
Hey, come on!
Huwag ka nang mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo.
Jopay, kamusta na ba? Buti ka pa, palagi ka masaya! Yeah! Come on!
At Jopay, buti na lang nariyan ka, hindi na ako nag-iisa.
1, 2, 3!
Huwag ka nang mawala.
Sabay-sabay!
Huwag ka nang mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo.
Ayan, trinay lang po namin yung Jopay.
Ayan.
Pero hindi talaga namin alam yun.
Pero at least,
Oo.
We tried.
We try our best.
yes. And of course, thank you so much for requesting that song. At may request pa po kayo dyan. Ano po? Aegis.
Ay.
Aegis. Oh. Siyempre, dahil mahal natin ang mga tagapasukin, bibigyan namin kayo ng medley. Yes.
Ma'am,
Medley of hits from the Aegis. Ayan, palakpakan naman! Come on!
Yeah.
Heto ako ngayon, nag-iisa, naglalakbay sa gitna ng dilim. Lagi na lang ako nadarapa, ngunit heto, bumabangon pa rin. Heto ako, basang-basa sa ulan, walang masisilungan, walang malalapitan. Sana may luha pa akong mailuluha, at nang mabawasan ang aking kalungkutan. Eto ako, basang-basa sa ulan, walang masisilungan, walang malalapitan. Sana may luha pa akong mailuluha, at nang mabawasan ang aking kalungkutan, ang aking kalungkutan, ang aking kalungkutan, ang aking kalungkutan.
Oh, eto na yung mag-BFF.
Damhin mo ang puso kong laging tapat sa'yo.
Basan mo ang labi ko, nauuhaw sa iyo, sinta.
Nananaginip na gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusuminhig ang damdamin. Kahit halik lang ang akin, nababaliw ako sa'yo. Bawat silakbo ng puso ko, sa isang sulok na lang umiibig sa'yo. Nananaginip na gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusuminhig damdamin. Kahit halik lang ang akin, nababaliw ako sa'yo. Bawat silakbo ng puso ko, sa isang sulok na lang umiibig sa'yo. Sinta, umiibig sa'yo. Sinta, umiibig sa'yo.
Bituin sa langit, ako'y lumilipit, di hindi marinig kahit isang awit. Ito'y para sa'yo. Bituing marikit o napakasakit, ibig ang pag-ibig aking inaawit. Ito'y para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita dito sa aking puso. Ikaw lang nag-isa, o aking
Akala ko ikaw ay aking, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Ninais ko mapalapit sa'yo, ninais ko malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, baliwala lang sa'yo. Hindi ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo, ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na kahit nasa luha, mababayaran mo. Ayaw ko nang mangarap, ayaw ko nang tumingin, ayaw ko nang malalapit. Nasasaktan ang damdamin, gulong ng buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, bakit ngayon'y nasa ilalim pa rin? Gulong ng buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, sana bukas na sa ibabaw naman.
ayoko sana na ikaw ay mawawala. Mawawagsak lamang ang aking mundo. Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw mo na? Sino ba naman ako para pigilin ka? Lumayo ka man ay maiiwan ang bakas ng ating pagmamahalan. Ang awiting ito ay alaala na hindi kita malilimutan.
Pagkat ikaw ang tanging laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay.
Ang likbo ng disco, ang likbo ng disco, bakit iniwanan ko? Nasasaktan ako, oh baby, sa tuwing nakikita ka. Naninibag ako, baby, pag may kasama kang iba. Nasasaktan ako, baby, sa tuwing nakikita ka. Naninibag
Okay. And that was our Ages Medley.
And of
Ayan.
course,
yung request ni... Sino ba yung nag-request kanina?
si Ate.
Black Yellow.
Okay, sana nagustuhan niyo po. Ay, double thumbs up pa si ate. Oh.
Double like.
Double like, okay. O, ano pa yung mga request na? Dito naman sa harap. Gusto ko yung mga ngiti nila. Parang, alam niyo, pag nakangiti, ibig sabihin, gustong-gusto nila yung yung tugtog natin.
Ano
di ba,
pong
Ma'am?
request ni Mami?
Maraming salamat po. Taga saan po sila?
taga Pasukin.
Pasukin, ayan. Happy Fiesta!
Yes.
Pasukin. Ayan. At dito tayo bumibili ng yung asin.
Tsaka
Diba?
yung
Biscocho.
masarap yung nila eh.
Biscocho.
Yung-
Yung biscocho nila.
Ay, biskot. Oh, tama.
Yes.
yung
Yung barbecue.
pusit nila. Sa estansya.
Oo, yung
Oo, tama.
Yung bibi
Tsaka
ko.
yung barbecue nila masarap.
BBQ.
Baby ko. Nakakamiss.
Sana may mag-sponsor po sa amin ngayon.
Sana barbecue.
yung pusit o biskotso?
Biskotso.
Tsaka yung barbecue nila.
Tsaka asin. Lahat.
Uy, yung asin, madami dyan.
Ayan, pwede po kayong mag-request.
At, hello nga pala sa aking sa college friend. And of course, congratulations for passing the let. Yeah.
Siyempre,
Di congrats din sa'yo.
Yes. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Kate.
Diba?
Okay.
Ayan, at kung may mga request pa po kayo dyan, huwag po kayong mahihiyang mag-request dahil libre lang po ang mag-request. Siyempre, konsensya na lang. Ayan. At sa mga gustong makijam, siyempre. Open po ang The R&B and the Side Street Band para sa inyo.
Siyempre, ipakita nyo din yung talent nyo dito sa Pasukin. Okay.
May gusto bang makijam dyan?
O malay natin, may ma-discover din tayo. Di ba? Okay. But yung, parang gusto ko rin yung t-shirt na yellow-green, ha?
Oo nga, ang ganda.
Okay. Alam mo, pag nasa dilim ka yan, kuminang-kinang ka pa.
May sinasabi si Sir
Galing.
dito. Narinig ko may sinasabi.
Ano sabi niya?
Mountain Dew daw.
Ay, Mountain Dew, oo.
Yes. Kulay.
Pero masarap yun
Oo.
Pa-Mountain Dew nga, sir.
Ayan.
Okay. Sige. Okay. Medyo pa-konti-konti tayo para mapasayaw natin yung mga guest natin ngayon. Medyo dumadami na rin tayo, ha?
Yes.
At hello sa mga bagong dating.
Gusto ko naman yung malakas na palakpak na may kasamang hiyan!
Happy Fiesta Pasukin.
Yes!
Oh, baby, I love you every day.
Come on!
Oh, baby, I love you
O, sayaw na kayo!
every day.
Hey!
Shadows grow so long before my eyes, and they're moving across the page. Suddenly the day turns into night, far away
O, si Ate Ben. Hey!
from the city.
Sayaw na!
But don't, oh no, no, hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait. Ooh, baby, I love you every day. I wanna tell you I love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day. The moon appears to shine and light the skies with the hair of some fireflies. I wonder how they have the power to shine, shine, shine. I can see them under the see the sunset in your eyes, brown and gray and blue besides. Clouds are stuck in islands in the sun. I wish I could power out of season, but don't, oh no, no, hesitate, la-di-da, 'cause your love just won't wait, just won't wait. Ooh, baby, I love you every day. I wanna tell you I love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day, every day and every way. Ooh, baby, I love you every day. I wanna tell you I love you. I wanna tell you I love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day, and every day and every way. Oh, baby, I love you every day. I wanna tell you I love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day. I've been watching you, a la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long.
Come on, everybody!
A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Hey! Standing across the room, I saw you smile. Said I wanna talk to you for a little while, but before I make my move, my emotion starts running wild. My tongue gets tied, and that's no lie. I'm looking in your eyes. I'm looking in your big round eyes. Oh yeah, now got this to say to you. Hey, girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it, push it, push it some more. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Come on. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. So I say to myself, if she loves me or not, but the dread I know that love if he's together. I want a little bit of this and a little bit of that, but the lyrics goes out there your tongue. My tongue gets tied, and that's no lie. I'm looking in your eyes. I'm looking in your big brown eyes. Oh girl, now I got this to say to you. Yeah, girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it, push it, push it some more. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. All right. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. One more time. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Sing it. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Hey. Boo, 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 boo. And I'm looking in your big brown eyes. Oh yeah, now I got this to say to you. Hi-ya! Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Hey! A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Push it some more. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. All right. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Push it some more. Kumakalat na balita na ang bisis ni Juan ay madaling makuha. Bago maniwala, isip-isip ka muna. Marami ang namamatay sa maling akala. Kung ako'y musmus pa lamang ay takot sa multo. Nung ako'y makikilala sa erbang aksyon ako, yun ay may asawa, mayroon ng pamilya. Wala namang multong ngunit takot sa sabog ko. Di mo na kailangan magalilangan kung tama ang gagawin mo. Basta't huwag kalimutan magdahan-dahan kung di sigurado sa kalalabasan. Kalalabasan ng binabalak mo. Maliit na butas lumalaki, konting gusto dumarami. Di mo maibabaon sa limot at bahala kapag nabulag ka. Ang maling akala. Nasaan na ba ako? Kaninong kapato? Ilang ulit na bang nagigising sa ilang kwarto? Naglaya sa bahay, akala madali ang buhay. Ngayon ay nagsisisi dahil di nakapagtapos. Di mo na kailangan magalilangan kung tama ang gagawin mo. Basta't huwag kalimutan magdahan-dahan kung di sigurado sa kalalabasan. Kalalabasan ng binabalak mo. Maliit na butas lumalaki, konting gusto dumarami. Di mo maibabaon sa limot at bahala kapag nagulat ka. May mga kumakalat na balita na ang kaligtas ay madaling makuha. Bago maniwala, mag-isip-isip ka muna. Marami ang namamatay sa maling akala. Sa maling akala. Oh yeah! Sa maling akala.
Na bukas lumalaki, konting gusto dumarami. Maliit na butas lumalaki, konting gusto dumarami.
Di mo maibabaon sa limot at bahala kapag nabulag ka. iyong pagdating. Daig mo pa ang isang bagyong namusang malayo. Ihip ng hangin biglang nag-iba, sinundan pa ng kulog at kidla. Sa biglang pusang iyo sa akin, ako'y napakanta. Lintik na pag-ibig, parang tila. Puso ko na hinahingin at bigla mong ginula. Lintik na pag-ibig, parang tila. Puso ko na hinahingin at bigla mong ginula. Mga halik mo, mga lambing, inuulan mo sa akin. Binabaha, binabagyo na ako ng iyong mga karinyo. Nananaginip pa ako ng kising, ay tinamaan ng magaling. Nadali mo ang puso ko ng iyong hila. Lintik na pag-ibig, parang hila. Puso ko ay nagkanagitay, bigla mong ginula. Lintik na pag-ibig, parang hila. Puso ko ay nagkanagitay, bigla mong ginula. Mga lambing, inuulan mo sa akin. Binabaha, binabagyo na ako ng iyong mga karinyo. Nananaginip pa ako ng kising, ay tinamaan ng magaling. Nadali mo ang puso ko ng iyong kilay. Lintik na pag-ibig, parang tila. Puso ko tahimik na nahihintay, bigla mong ginula. Lintik na pag-ibig, parang tila. Ay, ay, ay. Puso ko tahimik na nahihintay, bigla mong ginula. Lintik, lintik. Oh, oh, oh. Parang tila.
Alright, magsipalakpakan naman. Ayan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Oh. Ano na? Patapos na?
Ayan, baka may mga request na po kayo.
Ano yung mga request nyo? Ano? Pwede pakisulat na lang sa papel kasi medyo...
Nag-e-echo.
Oh. Hindi masyadong maintindihan. O, ayan na. Sabi ko na nga eh.
Ayan, baka may pabuena mano mamaya si Sir.
Hi! Anong pangalan ni Sir? Na nag-request. Sino po nag-request? Ha? Ano?
Dito ka, dito ka.
Ano?
Mark Manrique.
Mark Manrique. Mark Manrique.
Asan po siya?
Ayan, sisingilin namin mamaya,
Para
sir.
alam namin kung sino yung sisingilin namin dahil buwis buhay to, kuya.
Yes.
Ayan.
Sino yung nag-request, sabi natin. Tapos pumunta siya
Sir
dito.
Mark.
Pumunta
Yung
siya-
naka-white, oh, yun oh.
Hindi, pumunta siya dito pero sinabi yung pangalan pero iba yung tinignan. Nakita ko ha, ikaw ha. Okay, joke lang. Okay, ang request niya ay song from Marcet.
Marcet. Ayan.
Oh, medyo, alam mo kuya, kuya.
Buwis buhay to.
Medyo mataas-taas ng konti. Wala man lang ano dyan. Alam nyo, okay, sige. Baka mamaya, magbitaw siya
Yes.
ng blessing. Okay.
Palakpakan naman po dyan na may kasamang hiyawan.
Ayan, would like to give you a song from Morrison.
Okay.
Umiyak gabi-gabi, walang tinig na naririnig. Nakikipaglaban sa digmaan, natalo na. Hanggang kailan talo na, pagod na. Akala ko ika'y sa akin pa, pero hindi na pala. Wala na nga ba talaga? Naglalagala sa kadiliman, naliligaw, nalilito. Ano nga ba ako sa'yo? Sino nga ba ako sa'yo? Dito sa aking pagkakahimlay, sa dibdib ko ay parang may nagkadagang walang kasing lungkot, walang kasing sakit. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw ba ng puso? Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa ba siguro? Kalaban ng sarili, sino bang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang kung kalungkutan ko, kaligayahan mo, kung pagkagapos ko'y paglaya mo, kung ang sugat sa
Ayan,
puso
nasa
ko
kamay.
siyang lunas dyan sa puso mo, paano na ako magpaparaya ba? Papagkawalan na lamang ba kitang buo sa loob, pinanghihinaan na ng loob. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban ng sarili, sino bang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw, gusto ko nang bumitaw. Humahabol doon, ngunit wala namang nakikinig. Walang magandang pupuntahan, kailanman ang maling pag-ibig. Kaya ngayon bibiliin ko muna ang aking sarili bago magmahal muli. Magmamahalan ba kaya? Magmamahalan ba kaya tayo muli? Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw ba ng puso? Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa ba siguro? Kalaban ng sarili, sino bang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba? Kung ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw.
Wow! Sino yung nag-request? Si Mark?
Sino yung
natin.
nag-request? Sana
Singilin
naman
natin.
magbitaw siya. Di ba?
Oo nga, para naman may buena mano po kami, di ba? Gusto.
Ayan, and of course, thank you so much for requesting that song.
Baka may mga request pa kayo, yung hindi ganon.
Oo, buwis
Hindi
buhay.
buhay, hindi naman buwis
Yung hindi
buhay.
ganon?
Oo. Oh.
Ano, te?
Ano, Mami?
Dayang-dayang!
Dapat sasayaw ka, Mami.
Sasayaw ka po. Hindi,
Te,
dayang-dayang o
mahal yun.
kayang-kaya?
Pero pag tinugtog namin, sasayaw kayo, ma'am.
Kayang-kaya
Ay,
daw.
O kayang-kaya daw.
Akala ko dayang-dayang.
Ako din. Yun yung
Ayan.
lumabas sa bunga ni Mami.
Kayang-kaya, hindi dayang-dayang.
Akala ko dayang-dayang.
Eh. Yakang-yaka.
Dayang-kaya pala. Ayan, thank you so much,
Yakang-yaka.
Mami.
Okay. Oo. Dito naman, tanungin natin dito sa harap. Parang nag-e-enjoy si Mami. Mami, anong request mo, Mami?
Ay,
Touch by touch. Wow!
Ay, saktong-sakto.
Siyempre, nakita ko yung malaking bag ni Mami eh.
Oo,
O, diba? Mamahalin pa. Tsaka ano?
Branded pa.
Kuminang-kinang.
baka siya na yung buena mano.
Touch by
Magbigay.
touch.
Feeling ko.
Wait lang.
Sige, go.
Ano yun?
Saktong-sakto yung request ni Mami, touch by touch.
O, bakit?
Dahil nasa touch by touch, competition tayo ngayon.
Ay, touch by touch. Ay, ang galing mo doon.
Sabi
Ay.
Alam mo, pwede ka nang umuwi. Sa akin na lang yung sahod mo, ah.
Ikaw, Mentri ka.
Okay, dahil request mo yung touch by touch, Mami, pagbibigyan ka namin. Okay.
Yes.
Pero dapat sumayaw ka, ha? Siyempre, sabi nila, bigyan mo sila. Sabi ni Mami, gusto ko yun. Ang laki yung yung pandinig ko. Parang mayroon tayong buena mano. Okay.
Magang pamasko.
Meron yan.
Ganon.
Kaya ba natin yung touch by touch?
Yes.
Touch.
Bigyan na natin yan.
Sige. Touch
O,
by
ayan
touch.
na. Nandiyan na yung baka mauuna ko.
Ito na!
Compliment.
Parang nasa video. Okay na. Mami!
Parang tayo lang yung mga dancer sa video, okay?
When I feel the time is right and it's straight by my side, and love you give to me, it makes my heart beat. When my fantasy fly away, but the feeling makes me stay. I see the
Uy, sayaw naman kayo
fire
dyan.
in your
Mami, sayaw na.
It makes my heart beat.
Yan.
Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it, anyway. Like there is no other. Touch, by touch. You're my all-time lover. Skin to skin. Come and touch my cover. When my heart is full of love, it makes me a turtle in dove. Love's a game that we play night and day.
Ay, wow naman. Maraming salamat
When
po.
our love is due
Don't worry
and
ka doon. Kumastos po kayo.
there's a way to see the light. There's a fire in
Pistang-pista
your
talaga.
heart night and day. Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it, anyway. Like there is no other. Touch by touch. You're my all-time lover. Skin to
Sayaw, sayaw na!
Standing beside you, wishing you'd always be close to me. And how can I tell you? Every night I see you in my dreams. Don't leave me, I would never
Manila, Manila, I'm coming home. I'll walk the streets of San Francisco. I'll try to ride in Disneyland. Dated a million girls in Sydney. Somehow I feel like I don't belong. Hinahanap kita, Manila. Ang ingay mo kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeep, di mo nagliliparan. Mga babae mong nagagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. Promise me you'll never let it go. Promise me you'll never let it go. Manila, Manila, miss you like hell, Manila. No place in the world like Manila. I've been here to stay. Hey! Hinahanap kita, Manila. Ang ingay mo kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan. Mga babae mong nagagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. Promise me you'll never let it go. Promise me you'll never let it go. Manila, Manila, miss you like hell, Manila. No place in the world like Manila. I'm coming here to stay. All right. Hinahanap kita, Manila. Ang ingay mo kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan. Mga babae mong nagagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. Promise me you'll never let it go. And promise me you'll never let it go. Manila, Manila, miss you like hell, Manila. No place in the world like Manila. I'm coming here to stay.
Alright! Wow! Salamat po sa mga nagbigay po ng compliments.
Ayan, pupulutin
Okay.
ko na. Baka
Sige.
may hayab.
Ayan, Christmas na Christmas. Ika nga, nagbibigayan.
Yes.
It's better to
Tsaka
give than to
nagmamahalan.
receive. Yes. Okay. Baka, ikaw te, baka may pahabol ka pa. Ano?
She's ganda.
Ayan. Wow naman. Parang may nakikita na akong, basta sino kayong mananalo? Kung sino yung mananalo?
Congratulations.
Charot lang.
Siyempre, kung sino yung
Kung sino yung mananalo, doon ako magpapatato.
tama. Doon tayo magpapatato. Kaya, galingan ninyo, guys.
Kasi may tattoo ako dito. Tayo pala tayo. Pare-parehan. Okay. Oh, may mga request pa ba kayo dyan? Oh. Mag-request lang po kayo dito sa harap. Gusto ko dito sa harap yung mag-request kasi alam niyo na may mga hulog ng langit.
Yes. May pa, ano sila eh. Ganun.
Okay. Sige. Oh, talaga namang sige, sunod natin.
Ayan, stand Salamat po sa request ni Daddy.
Ayan, magsipalakpakan naman.
She's gone out of my life, and I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was so untrue. I can live without love in my life, and there's just an empty space. All my dreams are lost. I'm wasted away. I'll give them she's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I found it so hard to go on. I really missed that boy, my love. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you, oh, down on my knees. I'll give back. My heart
may request si Sir kanina na
Yes, love hurts.
Love hurts. Love hurts. Try natin yung Love Hurts ni Sir. Malay natin, baka yung binigay niya na magiging 3-0 yung bibigay niya. 2 lang yung 0 nakita ko eh.
Oo.
Pambili ng yun.
Baka madagdagan pa yung
Pambili lang sabon. Okay. Love hurts. Okay, maraming salamat. Okay. At may mga request pa tayo dito. Ay, wait. Meron sasabihin si Sir. Okay. Sige, awarding muna tayo. Yung mga... Sino ba yung... Asan na yung MC natin? Okay, sige. Okay, and we'll be back.
Yes.
Once again, palakpakan naman natin ang R&B! Okay! So, ngayon naman po guys, punta na tayo sa ating judging time para sa ating pre-made category. Meron na bang nakasetup na table sa harapan natin? Okay, meron na din. Hiram tayo dito ng light. Sino na yung tapos na? Pahiram po kami ng ilaw. Baka po merong tapos na dyan. Manghiram po kami ng light. Sino ang meron light po na available? Dalawa po yung kailangan namin na ilaw. Dalawa ang kailangan namin ilaw. Volunteer naman na po yung mga tapos na dyan. Again po para po sa ating judging time ng ating pre-made